and welcome to Learning with Joelle. Is it a hot day out here? Yeah, it is. So I thought we should make lemonade. So there's only 3 ingredients you need. 5 lemons, 1/3 cup of honey, 4 cups of water. Oh, and you need one more thing. A squeezer to squish the lemon so we can have the juicy juice from the lemons to make lemonade. Let's get started. First thing we have to do to make lemonade is squeeze the lemon juice out with the squeezer. First, you have to get a grown-up to cut the lemons in half. Feel free to pause the video and call your mom or dad or whoever grown-up you have. And then put your lemon like this in the middle. And then push it down and squeeze and turn it. Now that we squeeze all your 5 lemons, we're gonna get a grown-up and pour it carefully into the bowl. Now this is the time to feel free to pause the video and get your mom or dad or whoever adult you have. Now we're gonna pour the honey we got. Pour it. It looks yummy so far. Now I'm going to use the whisk to mix it all around. This is how it looks. The honey's at the bottom. Sure looks yummy. The last thing we have to do to make lemonade is pour the mix into the water. Be very careful. It looks yellow just like real lemonade. And kind of orange too. Now, I finished my lemonade. Now get a cup with ice in it if you want it to be cool. And then pour slowly in. It's missing something. Oh yes, if you want, you can get a lemon, cut a little hole in it, and then place it on your cup. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes sour and sweet. I hope you enjoyed the video of making lemonade today. Now, I'm going to enjoy mine while you enjoy yours if you made one.